Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you how to link your Twitch channel to your Discord account so it will appear on your profile. This will be very useful so people can find your channel in just a few clicks. To do this, we need to go into Discord. You can do it from the website or the app. Now go to User Settings at the bottom left of the screen. Go to the Connections tab. Right here, you will see all the platforms you can connect to your Discord account, such as Twitter, YouTube, and more. Just click the Twitch logo. This window will pop up. Just log in with your Twitch account. It might ask you for a verification code that will be sent to your mail. Those are the permissions you will give to Discord. Just read them and click the Authorize button. That's it. Now your Twitch channel is linked to your Discord account. You can enable or disable the Display on Profile option, depending on if you want anyone to see your channel in your profile or not. As you can see, the Twitch channel is on my profile now, and anyone can see it. It also shows it's a verified connection to verify it's my account. And you can click right here to get redirected to the Twitch channel. You can also disable this option so your Twitch account will be connected to your Discord, but it won't show up on your profile. Sometimes you will need to refresh to see the changes. That's it. If you don't want to have your Twitch account linked anymore, you can go to your connections again and remove it right here. It will ask for confirmation. Just click Disconnect. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.